How to create unlimited Facebook fake accounts without entering your phone number or email address. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the unlimited fake accounts on your Facebook without the need of your phone number or email address. The very first step is to launch your Facebook account, and after that you can simply tap some name that you're okay with. So suggest me some name which I don't want to type, and I just type some name right here. So after that, let's tap on the next option and just follow the all steps that are shown here. Just gonna enter any of the date right here. So set it to it, tap on the next option. And now you want select your phone number, tap on sign with email, and you don't want to sign with this email. What you can simply do is go on the browser, go on any preferred browser that you have, type same email. This step is very important, so see this very carefully. After you see this, it will load you the temporary email address right here. So after it loads the temporary email address right here, what you can simply do is copy it and again go on your Facebook application and paste the email that have been provided to you, type on the next option and then create some password, tap on the next option and tap your save login info, and just like that your login information is been done and you have created your Facebook account just like that. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.